Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to be working on a game called Throw and Flip. So in this game you're going to be working on your underhand throwing skills. When we are underhand throwing, a couple of things to think about. So as you're throwing, you're going to start with your feet together. You're going to step forward with your opposite leg. Your eyes are on your target. You're going to bring your object back and you're going to release out in front of you. That's what we're looking for with our underhand throw today. Now, we're also going to be using our transport skills. Some of the skills you might be using are running, jumping, skipping, hopping, and galloping. So, whatever skill you choose to use, whatever transport skill you choose to use, please make sure that you're thinking about the criteria. What does it look like? What does a great skip look like? What does a great hop look like? A jump, a gallop, or a run while you're playing a game today. So, like I said, the game is called Throw and Flip. So for this game, you're going to need some sort of an object to throw. Something that's not going to bounce would be best. So today I've got socks. You could also be using a beanbag if you've got a beanbag at home. You're going to need a target. Your target can be a hula hoop if you've got one at home. If you've got a basket, that will work as well. But it's going to need to be something that you can have your object land in and something you're going to be able to flip over. So the goal of this game, I'm going to be starting over at my starting line there, which is the orange bucket. I'm going to be throwing my object, the socks, underhand from the bucket, trying to get them to land in the hoop. If I can get them to land in the hoop, I'm going to run up to the hoop and I'm going to flip it over one time. Now I have a finishing line here with my shovel. Once I've flipped my hoop all the way to the shovel, I've completed the challenge. Now, a couple of things you could do to adapt or to challenge yourselves. If you'd like, you could work on striking skills. So if you have something like a badminton racket or a tennis racket at home, you could use a tennis racket and a shuttle, or a badminton racket and a shuttle. So from your starting line, you could work on striking with your badminton racket, trying to get your shuttle into the hoop. So there's many different ways that you can adapt your game to work on some different skills. So I'm going to try it today with skipping and underhand throwing. Here we go. So I start from my start. To the end. So, a couple of safety things to think about while you are playing this game. Make sure you've got a safe area where you can move freely. Again, I did skipping today. You could try some other skills, hopping, jumping while you were playing this game. To increase your challenge, you could also move the hoop further apart as well. Have fun with this game. Let me know how it goes.